Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to order product from more than one store or from multiple stores on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. So the very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to exit from my 1688 app right here because someone reached out to me currently on my WhatsApp right here and asked me to buy product from different store right here. So this is the contact right here. Then you can see all the product screenshots right here. Okay, so just like what you see right here. So these are all the products you want to buy from different store on 1688 Chinese shopping app. This is the owner shipping address right here in my DM, and likewise the product picture as you can see right here, and likewise the product links right here. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to open up the product link from my WhatsApp right here. Once you click on the product link, it's going to load and redirect you to 1688 shopping app, so you can see the product picture right here. So open in 1688 app and it's going to load up and it's going to show you everything about the product in 1688 shopping app right here, just like what you see right here. So for you to check on the product detail, simply scroll down, then this will allow you to see product graphics as the case may be. However, if you are satisfied with the product detail as far as the product is concerned, you can easily go ahead and add the product to cart. You can also check more from the store, just like what you see right here. Okay, the more you scroll down, the more you see product graphics right here, just like so. And the next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and add all the product to cart. To make this tutorial short and straight to the point, I have already added all the product to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to fill my cart. I'm going to go ahead and click on here now. So these are all the products in the cart right here. You can see. So this is from different store. So this is store 1. So this is store 1, store 2, store 3, and the last store here is also found. And this is the last store right here, store 4. So let's see how we can buy this product from different store and make payment at once in 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Hideofish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the product. So this is for store 1, store 2, then store 3. Then scroll down here and select the store 4, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and scroll down right here. You can check all the preview right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see everything right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to select the proof of payment, means of payment. And I'm making payment with Alipay. So I'm going to go ahead and select Alipay, just like so. After you select Alipay, I will click on here to proceed with payment. So allow the Alipay to connect, just like so. The next time I'm going to do is to enter payment password to complete the payment. Payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this bumper. So lastly, I will go ahead and click on here to go back, and then click on here to continue to go back, and then next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for, you can see 4 different store right here. So let's check it out. So we have them all right here. Lastly, I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here. I'll come back to my WhatsApp, click on attach, then gallery, select proof of payment and say payment done. Payment done. And hit on send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.